Today I'm going to show you a basic way that you can transition from forward to back while on your roller skates. This method is known as the open the door, close the door method. And some people do it by picking up their entire foot, but the way I like to do it, my wheels stay on the ground the entire time. For this video, I'm going to focus on turning over my right shoulder, but don't forget to practice it both ways. I'm going to start out by bending my knees, and my full weight is on my left foot. I'm going to put my front two wheels of my right foot down on the floor and drag them backwards in a half circle until my heels are meeting one another. At this point, the weight shifts to my right foot, and the back wheels of my left foot are pushing forward in a half circle until I am turned around the other way. So keep in mind that this is a very exaggerated version of this transition forward to back. Okay, so when I'm on the floor, you're not going to be able to see my toe sticking up to the ceiling or my heel so far off the ground. It's going to be much faster, much smoother. This is just so that you can see where my weight is being shifted. Here it is a little bit faster. Here I am on the floor. Get some carpet action. So open the door, close the door. Snap, snap. It's pretty quick. The door opens, the door closes. So when the door opens, your heels are facing each other, and then when the door closes, both of your toes are facing back. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, and make sure that you subscribe for more roller skating tutorials.